Hi everyone, Lua here with another quick tutorial from Comalatech. Today we're covering how to set multiple pages to the same stage of an approval workflow with Comala Document Management. Workflows in Comala Document Management allow you to create approval processes for your documents by bringing your page through a series of states or phases. Here we can see the page moving from a review state to an approve state. But what if you have multiple pages in a space and you want to set them all to the same state at once? For example, maybe you've copied a space and you want to set all the pages to a single state, or you've just completed a project and you want to make every page obsolete. Let's take a look at how to do this in both the cloud and data center versions. Here in Confluence Cloud, I have my space with several pages, and I've applied the content expiry workflow to the whole space. From here, I can go down to Utilities, and under Initialize States, I can choose the state I want all the pages to transition to. I'll choose Expired for this example. Now in this pop-up, I have another important option called Override States. If I check Override States, it will change the state of all the pages in my space, whether they already have had workflow activity or not. If I leave it unchecked, it will only change the pages that have had no workflow activity. So if you have pages with a different workflow applied or which are in a different state and you want to preserve them, you won't want to check this. But if you just want everything sent to the exact same state, then check it off. And this will take a couple minutes if you have more pages. And now we can go check out one of our pages. And we'll see that the state has been set to expired. In the data center and server version, I've created a space with the same setup. I've gone to Space Tools, Document Management, and you can see I've assigned a workflow to all the pages in the space. If I click on this menu over here, I can go down to Initialize States. And once again, I have the option to choose the state and to override current states or not. So we'll check that off. We'll initialize, which will just take a minute. And now if we go back to my space, we can see that all the pages have been set to the obsolete state. And that's it. If you have a question about workflows or need a hand with your setup, feel free to reach out to our team. And if you have a video tutorial that you'd like to see, let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thanks for watching and have a nice day.